Uh, okay, so this is my first time I'm uploading. I'm sharing with you guys. Yeah, how to uh, with the diagram based, node based, and a node based diagram. So let's start. I'm kind of little bit nervous. This is the first time going to building I'm going to building a project with the React flow. Okay, let's get started. Uh, Okay, so initially we are creating the React app named diagram demo. So we'll explore the React flow and implement the diagram in our website. Okay, so please wait. After finishing that, then that we can start the React app. Then we implement the React flow. Okay. So in the meantime, we can see the docs as in their real website, the React flow. Okay. So there is a two tab that we can I can add another tab like the example. So initially here, this is the overview here, right? As you can see, this is the overview, and I'm gonna explore it one by one, and let me know what is your expectation from this tutorial and this library. Okay. Okay, that's what I will come back after finishing that part. Okay, so we have done that part. We have already created a uh, new new project. So yeah, we can go to our website. Or we can go to project, opening the VS Code. As you can see, this is the fresh website. Sorry, this is the uh, fresh demo of the project. So and we can go to our docs. Okay, so initially we have to add the library React Flow renderer. Okay, I'm going to copy this that and this part and installing the package yarn. And I'm using yarn. You can use npm install, then this library name yarn add. Okay, so after then that if this is the React Flow enables you to build node based application, not not editor, from simple static diagrams to complex interactive editors, but it's kind of node based, not actually dragon no, not actually like you're drawing, not actually like that. So after then that we will create a new file in that here. Okay, it already created the app.js. So initially I think we don't need that. We're going to delete all of them, the header part as well as the class name. Okay, we have changes all of the things, and we have to import React flow. Okay, so I'm going to import the basic React flow, and this is the elements. Okay, so this is the elements, and I'm going to put over here, and this is the basic thing of the React flow. At the div, I'm going to oops. Okay, so this is the basic thing, and I need to pass over the style guide as well, and need to style. So this is the basic React flow of our project. So I'm going to start our project. So I have a plan, like I can this project is kind of huge, and so that you can delete the node, update the node, and at least you can use this. You can make a project using the React flow in a better way. I have been I have been working this project last 2.5 months. Yeah, so that's why I think I can share with you, like, so that you cannot uh, okay, don't get disrupted by by the. So here's the. Okay, so for then that so we have to provide height and width, wrapping with the div. So yeah, as you can see here, this is the basic node based this is the basic node based of diagram, and we can enhance this more, right? So this is the basic of that, and if we explore whole the documentation, we will get more. We can make these things, we can also make these things changeable, and yeah, and we can also make these things. So other than that, we are going to add new thing like documentation. Okay, mm, getting started, and this is the ultimate basic uses. As you can see, this is the ultimate basic, and let me check on the what we have done, right? This is the elements, right? So this is the elements. id1 type input, data level 1, data level node 1, position x2250, y5. You can also pass a react node as label. We don't need that right now. Okay, so this is the another node, and this is the line name. So everyone, each of the object is one kind of element. So you can add here, yeah, you can add here. This is the another thing, and we can add another thing, like this is the node 3, and the position is must be 2, and position must be 200. Okay, so here's the source 1 target to id 3. So we are going to source to target 3. Got it? Animated true. Another one is animated false. Okay, animated true and animated. So let's see the example. Okay, as you can see, the first one is animated true. That's why, yeah, it's look like animated. Second one is animated false. That's why you cannot see the animation. So we don't have any kind of feature to add the node. So we can implement one by one. Okay, so here's the basic functionality of the website, of the this is the basic functionality of the project. Okay, we can use also, like, this is the initial element. So how can I do, like, when I need, when I or what I want, like node 1 to node 3, you can drag, but you cannot add node 1 to node 3, right? So what you're gonna need to do, we can use, or you can see the basic functionality, right? So we have to import the user state. Okay, we're going to import that. So instead of react flow, we have to import the react as well as the user state. Okay, we're going to use, yeah, import that, and initial element. As you can see, this is the initial element, but the initial element already here, right? So we don't need that part as well. We can import also them. So we're going to import. So what we are going to do, remove elements and add edge. So our next target is, we're going to add edge from 1 to 3, and we can delete the node, and we can delete all the node. Okay, so We have imported the user state, so initially we can do that constant. So we don't need to pass the elements here. Initial oops, initial initial elements in this state we can pass the initial elements, so the elements can be the initial element, right? So and so we have already done that part, the state part. So if we need to change, like as I told before, if I want to add edge, it means we are pushing the I'm pushing another data to like 3 1 2 3, right? As like as that, as you can see, element 2 element 3 and 4, the source must be 1, source must be target must be 3, right? So uh, okay, as you can see, and this is what I want to do, like in that by changing the state. Okay, so we don't need that right now, we can do that by coding. Okay, so then we can go to the add age, right? So this is the thing, this is the function which is pre-built in the React flow. So okay, and we have to import we have to think about the onConnect function. So we have to pass the onConnect function. Okay, so we have to pass on here onConnect function, but we didn't write the onConnect function here, so we can add here onConnect function. Okay, onConnect function already done. So I now we can add onConnect function. Okay, now we can try. As you can see, there is no here. So node 1 to node 3, yeah, node 1 and node 3. Okay, so as you can see, it's already done, like node 1 to node 3. If we reload again, like if you see node 1 to oops, node 1 to node 3, right? So we have done that part by adding on connect parameter and add age. Now what you're gonna need to do, we are going to remove what we built, right? So let's get again here. Okay, so on elements view is a parameter, so we can add on the parameter here react flow on element remove, and we have already imported the remove elements, right? So now we can add the on elements remove function. Copy, paste over here. Okay, and boom. Okay, now we can add node 1 to node 3, and now you can click here, and clicking the backspace, it's already done. Now here clicking the backspace is already done. Now here clicking the backspace is already done. So if we reload again, it's come again, but because of we didn't save on the database and coming back here, coming from the database, right? It's we have setting on the initial only state, right? So clicking here back, already done. uh, Already done. So then okay, so now we can what can we do now? Okay, now then our main task is adding input, right? Okay, so this is the biggest big video, I think. So that's all, I think. Please comment section, please comment in the comment section, do you need any kind of things like that? Add a node, add a node and customization of the node and delete function with a clicking the node and much more things. Thank you.